When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You selling work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Holy crap, that light is bright. Alright, what's up everyone? We're doing a video today, as you can tell. Today we're going to be shipping out the Beastmode. It's for sale, or not for sale, but it's sold, you know what I mean? And yeah, the bike got sold, so we're going to pack it up. And then we're going to get it to the post office to the new owner. You guys will see the new owner soon, because I'll post him. And then, yeah. So that's it. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to start off with is taking off the pedals. Should be really easy. Just grab a 6mm. Put that to the side because we're going to be boxing that up. Pedals are off. I'm going to take this wheel off. Air from the front tire. The air's out, we're gonna put that to the side. This is when you're gonna want this. This is just for the fork. We're gonna package up the bike. This is where these play a role. Like so. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with. Bam. It's all in there. I might just throw this one. That's not gonna work. Whatever. That box of pedals, I'm just gonna put the pedals inside. There's really no point. It's one thing of pedals, you know? Final look. I think I did pretty good, you know. Still learning how. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.